Hey, welcome back to Smoking with the Robinsons. Today, we're going to show y'all one of our favorite ways to use up some leftover pulled pork. Stick around. Today, we're going to show y'all how we make pulled pork grilled cheese sandwiches. As you can see here, we've got some Texas toast. We've got our pork that's left over from a pork butt. We got some sliced cheddar cheese and some shredded mozzarella and a little bit of barbecue sauce. And as you can see here, the pork butt, we left it whole. That way, whenever you come back, you can make slices or kind of do whatever you want to with it. But we are going to make this today on our 17-inch Blackstone griddle. So to start off, all we're going to do is we're going to put this pork, we're going to get it heating up. That's probably good enough right there. And we'll come back to you whenever this is heated up. What we like to do is kind of start forming it the way it's going to go on the sandwich. And at this point, we like to go ahead and take a couple of pieces of our sliced cheese and go ahead and lay it on top where it can kind of get a little bit of a head start melting. And so the next thing we've got is just our Texas toast. Just use a little spray butter on each side. So we're going to take all the pork. We're going to layer that up on here. We're going to come back with our shredded mozzarella. And we're going to top that with just a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce. And this pork has already put some good fat down on the Blackstone, so we don't need any extra oil or anything like that. So stick around, we'll come back to you when it's time to flip this thing. Alright, it's time to give this thing a flip. We'll see what this side looks like. Looking good, got a good crust on it. So we probably lack just a couple more minutes, and you can do this inside, outside. We just prefer to do some cooking outside. Stick around while we finish this thing up. Okay, this pulled pork grilled cheese is finished up, and it's looking good. Let's cut into it, see what it looks like. Looks good to me. That will be some good eating and awesome way to use up some leftover pulled pork. Just remember on your pulled pork, if you have it left over, it's better to leave it whole instead of shredding it all. Just kind of leave it in some chunks. That way if you do want to just slice some slices off of it, that's much easier. So I noticed on Facebook a lot of baseball and softball teams doing fundraisers selling pork butts. Get you one. Eat it, do all these kind of recipes. You can do a whole lot of different things with it. We're going to try to come at you with another leftover pulled pork recipe. Be sure to check out my buddy at C2 Woodworks with this awesome cutting board, and we'll see you next time.